another project. This is my JavaScript piano, JS piano. Um, the front end is with vanilla JavaScript and the back end is Ruby on Rails. So I had so much fun making this project. When I first thought of it, I was like, oh man, this should be easy, but it in fact was not. It was actually a lot harder than it looks, because I used a keyboard template from CodePen, and although it had a lot of code that was able to help me, not, I guess, not have to do as much coding, but if for what I needed it to do, I had to write a whole lot more code and a whole lot more advanced code that I really didn't anticipate to, but it ended up working out. The HTML and the CSS is again from CodePen, so it was like a template. The creator, I think, is Caroline. Caroline Gabriel is the name. She, I guess, made this moving background and then like the colors or whatever. This part where it says enter sequence and this and that, that's the CSS that I created. That's why it looks so basic. But I am now much better at CSS, so let me just say that. So anyway, we'll go ahead and get started. If you hover over the keyboard, you actually get hints on what keys are which. We'll go over here. As you can see, these are some sequences that I've had a lot of fun playing with. So let's go enter something. Let's enter and hit save. And then when you hit save, the sequence that you just entered goes right down here to the bottom. You can also hit play. Oh, that don't sound so bad. I don't even know how to play the keyboard, but that does not sound so bad. Or play the piano is what I mean. But that didn't sound so bad. But anyway, let's go ahead and edit it because a user can also edit a sequence. What sequence will I make it now? Let's make it KLI. So TUKLI. And then submit the edit. And then it gets updated. We love when stuff works. Oh my God, I love that it works. I knew that it worked, but sometimes I'm always so afraid that my computer will be like, you know what, not today, especially because it knows that I'm presenting this and I've been talking already. So we'll hit play again. And this is the sound that we just created or just updated. And since that sounds a hot mess, let's go ahead and delete that. So these are existing sequences. I believe this is Mary Had a Little Lamb. I'm not even positive. Or maybe like different parts of Mary Had a Little Lamb. Let's hit play on this one. I think that's Mary Had a Little Lamb. I think. Let's see this one. It sounds like Mary Had a Little Lamb to me. Anyway, I'm not deleting this because I did not know this and someone had to tell me that these were the keys for it, so I'm not deleting it and that's why it's still here. But anyway, eventually I am going to deploy this on Heroku because it was super fun once I actually got everything to work. I didn't realize how the advanced JavaScript code that I had to use to get it to play the way that I wanted to. I didn't realize the existing code that was the template for this keyboard. I had to convert. I can't remember if it was I had to convert the numbers into letters or the letters into numbers. Anyway, I had to use Unicode, and it was a rabbit hole of Googling and anyway, I got it to work and I'm really, really happy with it and I love it. And I will eventually put it on Heroku so that everyone can have fun playing with it too. Thank you.